Hi all, welcome back to Mom and Me Bombs. Today we are showing you how to make pastries. It's a continuation of our previous video, M cake. Now, taking the extra side pieces of the set cake, we have to cut it into equal pieces as shown here, and we have to decorate it with the frosting or cream cheese frost which were left back. In between, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. We also used colored whipped cream. Using more colored whipped cream, it will give the pastries a more attractive look. Coming to the next piece of pastry, we used the remaining cream cheese frosting which was used for the M cake. For knowing more about the M cake, please check the link given in the description box below. If you liked our video, please do not forget to hit the like button and share this with your friends and family. Making a smiley face. See the way it's getting more and more attractive. You can also put this cream cheese frosting or the frosting in between the pieces. In this way, decorate all the pieces. Now your pastries are ready to serve. Enjoy. You will never forget this taste once you try it, because the taste will keep your mouth watery always. A very simple recipe and it's really tempting. Please do drop in your comments in the comments box, and it is valuable for us. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe and click on the notification bell to get our upcoming videos. Not forget to check out the link given in the description box to know more. Bye.